Now this is OpenOffice Writer window. Editing and formatting documents. For that, first of all, we are going to type one paragraph. Okay, I'll type something here, 3 lines, and now I'm going to give it a heading. Okay. Now how to select text? So edit, select all. Okay, and shortcut key is Control plus A. So when we click on Control plus A, at that time everything in the document is selected. Okay, whether it is expanding in different pages. For example, there are 3 pages and the 3 pages of text is there. So when we click on Control plus A, at that time everything in these 3 pages will get selected. Second thing to select is click here before O and drag the mouse up to the place you want to select the content. Okay, for example, if I want to select this line only, then I will drag up to this place and click and drag to select more. For example, here we have selected 3 lines of text. Then without using mouse, come to the place from where you want to select the text. For example, from second line, press shift key and right side arrow. Okay, and you will get the text being selected as soon as you start this arrow button on up right side. Okay, like this also we can select this from keyboard. Now I am going to delete something and bringing it back on screen. For example, I have selected this from edit, cut option is there. Okay, or simply I can press delete key from my keyboard, delete. Okay, now for example, this has been done by mistake. Now I want to bring it back on the screen. So edit and undo. Okay, okay, undo is there in edit and the shortcut key is Control plus Z. Okay, now again if I want to delete this, then edit, redo. Okay, undo and redo. Control Y and Control Z. Control Z is for undo. Control Y is for redo. Okay, and Control Shift plus Y is for repeat the operation. And there are undo and redo buttons on the toolbar also. This is redo button. This is undo button. So basically, this toolbar is having a frequently used button that we are going to use frequently in the document that we require multiple times. So these are shortcut. Same operations we can perform from these menus. For example, this is undo redo button. These buttons are there. These options are there in edit menu. Okay. Same way bold, italic, underline. These are in format. Okay. Now cut, copy and paste. So for example, I am going to select this second and third line. Okay. Second and third line. Edit and cut, and shortcut key of cut is Control plus X. So now when we use this option cut, at that time it is not deleted, but it is removed from the place from where we have used this option. Okay, right now this second and third line will get removed from here, but it will be saved in clipboard. That is some part of memory in this software, and whenever we require we can paste it afterwards. So cut, now it is cut, not deleted. So now for example, I want to bring it here, then edit and paste. Okay, so this is cut paste option. Cut paste operation we do when we want to move something from one place to another. So when we are using cut paste, at that time it is placed to a new location and from actual location it is removed. Now with undo I have brought it back on screen. Now again I am going to select this, edit, copy. For copy shortcut is Control plus C. Okay, and then come to a new place where you want to paste this. So edit and paste. So now it is copied to a new location. In this copy and paste operation, it remains on its actual place and one new copy is created where you have pasted that text. Now finding and replacing the text. For example, here I use mouse frequently and I want to make this of mouse with capital M. Okay, so for that first of all I have to find out the place where it is. Okay, first of all I have to go to the place where I use this mouse spelling. For example, I have to go line by line, and then wherever I find this mouse I am going to change this. So this way it is not practical approach. Okay, because right now we are dealing in few lines only, 2 or 3 lines, but if this document is having 15 to 20 pages and it is about mouse only and mouse operations. At that time we will find it difficult to go to each and every place and change it. So there is one option, that is find and replace, so that it can save our time, and even if 50 or 100 times this mouse spelling comes, it is changed by doing it uh, once only. So in edit there is find and replace, and Control F is shortcut key for the same. For example, right now we are going to search for mouse. So search for mouse, then find. Now it will highlight the word that is matching with this text. Now next, find next, here it is. Then find next, here it is. Okay. Then here 2 and 3, like this. Now find all, it will highlight each word which is matching with this text. Now we are going to replace this. Okay, for example, find. Okay, this one. So for example, if I want to change this spelling only, at that time mouse, okay, M capital, and I am clicking on replace only. Okay, not replace all. So replace. So now it is changing only one single spelling of mouse. Other spelling is remained as it is. So now if you want to change everywhere the same thing, at that time replace all. Okay, so it is showing us that 6 times this word was matching in the document, and it is replaced 6 times with this word, that is capital MOUSE. Okay, now you can see everywhere the mouse M is capital. Okay, this is find and replace utility. Now there is one option, insert spatial character. Okay, so these are the characters which are not basically on keyboard. So if we want to use any spatial symbol or character that is not on keyboard, this kind of symbols we can find it here, and we can insert in our document from here. Okay, so these many symbols are there that you can use. For example, I am going to insert this one, 3 upon 4. Okay, so like this. Copyright symbol also we have selected earlier, so it is also there. Okay, now you can format it according to your requirement. Okay, like this, or you can make it give it different color also from here, like this. So this is spatial symbol, how to insert spatial symbol in your document. Then for formatting paragraph, okay, this is formatting toolbar. Okay, here different heading levels are there. Okay, when you select some a particular heading, okay, for example, okay, you can see this, now it is different from normal text. Okay, so this is one option. Then type of font, that also you can select. Okay. Then size of that font, then bold, italics, underline, different options are there. Then this is alignment of this text. This is by default left align. This is centered. This is right alignment. This is justified. Justified is what? Let's see. For example, see this 1, 2, and 3 lines. First line ends here. Second line ends here. Okay. So there is some gap. Okay. It is not actually finishing at the same point. So it is not looking proper. So we can select the paragraph and select this justified. Now you can see this by and the both are ending properly at same point. So this way you can use this justified option. Now if I want to show this India on this side, at that time select this. Okay. Now it is right aligned. Now this we are making centered like this. Now these are bullets and numberings. These are bullets and these are numberings. And when you select this, you have different options here. Okay, that you can customize. Then this is color of font that you can change. This is highlighting of the text that is selected. This is background color. It will give background to selected part. For example, if we are going to give background to this part only, at that time we can select that and give a particular color. Okay, like this. This is background for selected part. And this is again find and replace. If you want to search something in your document, then you can type it here and then start searching for that word. Now you can see this mouse we have found. Okay, here again. Yes, if I see, I am clicking here at the starting point, and if I am starting again because our selection started from this line. So now from starting we are going to select. Now the first mouse comes here, second here, then third is here. So this is how you can directly find something from your document.